Before we start with actual problems, let's try to know what actually the software has and what are the different tools this software has. When we open the software SolidWorks, we have the 5 different platforms, that is solid part, sheet metal parts, weldments, assembly and drawing. As our subject, engineering graphics is concerned, it is concerned with the drawing platform. So when we open the drawing platform, we have the file menu on the top. Now, on that below we can see a few tools, that is grid, alignment indicator, auto dimensioning, fit, zoom and zoom out commands over here. And on to the left we have the drawing tools, that is the line command, curve command, the circles, rectangle, trim options and move copy commands are available here. And on to this the dimensioning tools are available here. So well, before we start with the actual problem, the first and foremost thing that we have to do here is to set our page. As we take the printouts in the A4 sheets, so that the printout comes on the A4 sheet, we have to set this particular sheet into A4. So for that, we have two different methods. That is, one, we can go to the file and press sheet setup. Under that background, you can click A4, remove this background, and you can see it automatically changes the size. Okay, make sure you save it as default, save default, and then click OK. Why I said it save default is because when you insert a normal sheet, it takes the previously assigned sheet setup itself. So now we have the fit command over here, which is used to fit the A4 sheet drawing area into the screen. So another way of doing the sheet setup is right click on the sheet over here and you get the sheet setup here, and from there you can change the sheet. Okay, so once we are done with that, so let's start with actually doing the planes. In each day we have the positions of planes. We use different kinds of planes, that is rectangular, triangular, circular, pentagonal, hexagonal, and the different types of shapes or the planes we use in our problems. So let's start to draw an equilateral triangle of sides 15. So for that I'll be using a line command over here. So I'll specify the start point and I'll specify the length as 50 mm. And I'll press it enter. Then you can specify the angle as 0, or else you can just simply make it straight and then click over here. And then we'll take again 50 mm and we'll specify the angle as 120 because the software takes it as an external angle, not as an internal angle. So the external angle of an internal triangle becomes 120 degree. And finally I'll join the end of this particular triangle. So another way of drawing the triangle is specify the line. I specify it as 50 mm. As I said before, we have the tool known as the alignment indicator. When I place the line cursor into the center of the base line, you get a reference line over here. Just keep it over there and just type 50 and then press enter. It takes automatically the angle and then press enter again and then finally join the end of the line. So when the line is joined, both the line turns out to be red. When it isn't red, it means the line hasn't joined. So if it is red, the line has joined each other. In each day, we don't have any kind of problems in this way. Either the triangle will be resting on one of its edges or on one of its corners. Let's try to solve. Let's try to make a triangle, equilateral triangle resting on edge or corner. So for an edge resting on the edge, let me take the same dimension as 50 mm. I'll specify the 50 mm. I want to specify an angle. I'll be using the alignment indicator. Then again I'll specify the length. It takes the angle automatically. So you can specify the length again here, and you can see the line has joined. Similarly, for the triangle resting on the corner, you can draw it in the same way, 50 mm. Enter the alignment indicator over here. So the alignment indicator 50, enter, and then again it completes the equilateral triangle. So all of us are familiar with drawing squares. Okay, now let's try to draw a square resting on the corner. Okay, same of sides 50 mm. So we have the sides in the angle of the square is 90 degrees. So the half of it is 45, and I want the line to come below. So I specify as minus 45 the angle. Okay, with the help of the alignment indicator, I'll place it over here and specify the line. It takes the angle. Okay, so similarly, I just want the 50 mm here. You get the square resting on the corner. Okay, now let's try to draw a pentagon. So pentagon has 5 sides and the internal angle is 108 degree. So I will draw a 50 mm pentagon, enter, and the angle is 0, another 50 mm triangle line, and the internal angle is 108 degree. then the external angle becomes 72. Okay, so once I am done with one angle, I will use the element indicator to draw the further 50. I just get the reference and then I am typing the length. Okay, see here it just got missed. Make sure it is here. Again, miss 50. Here completes the pentagon. Okay, so hardly few problems wherein the pentagon is in this way. Some of the times the pentagons are resting on the sides or on the corners. So how will you draw a pentagon resting on the edge? So I'll draw a pentagon of 50 mm resting on the edge. Okay, so we have the pentagon 50 here. The angle is 108 degree. Okay, so remaining I have to come down 90 plus again 18 degree I have to give. I'll put it as minus 80. And again I will use the element indicator and then specify the length as 50 mm. Even here I will be using the same alignment indicator tool itself, 50. When we use the element indicator, we need not specify the angles, we just need to connect these lines. Okay, this is how the pentagon resting on one of the edges. Similarly, you can draw a pentagon resting on one of its corner. Now let's try to draw a hexagon. Okay, hexagon, it has the sides of 15, same 15 I am going to take. It has an internal angle of 120 degree. So here when we take it, we can specify it as 60 degree because the external angle becomes 60 degree. So after that I am using the alignment indicator and I am not going to specify the angles. So 50 and 100 degree. So here again 50 I will specify. I am using the alignment indicator, nothing else I am using. I am just using. This is how the hexagon rests on one of its corner. Similarly, we can draw a hexagon resting on one of its edges also in the same way by using the alignment indicators. So in the next video, we will be seeing about how the projections of triangle with the locus and without the locus can be solved in the next video.